Okay, we are here at Lamar Place on the second floor of the Crockett building. About to do a quick tour of apartment C215 and this beautiful floor plan. You walk in the front door here, you can't help but notice it is giant and it has vaulted ceilings. I love this huge living room. There's a lot of light coming in from this window with some new blinds. You can see down the entire length of the home. Thermostat over there on the right is new and it's touchscreen, and then you have the platinum upgrade package in this beautiful white kitchen with granite countertops, stainless steel appliances, a new backsplash, dishwasher, deep sink, the works. Over here on the right is a very large floor to ceiling deep pantry coming down the hallway. Probably my favorite feature is this pass-through bathroom that you can enter from either the hallway or the bedroom at the back. And it likewise has been upgraded in every way. The bedroom has new carpets on the floor. It is likewise very large. The closet over there on that wall expands the full length of that wall. And then out the back window, you can see that you have your own private balcony. I opened this door out here because I wanted to show you too that you even have outdoor storage in this very large room. So yeah, that's it. You're on the back side of the entire property. Very, very quiet, very peaceful and private. And that is home number C215 at Lamar Place. So come join us. Thanks.